everyone. So yesterday we went over how to do this activity, and today we're going to give you the answers. So let's get out our crayons. Remember, blue is if it has sh, and yellow if there is no sh digraph. Okay, so this is a book. I don't hear a sh, so that would be yellow. Fish, I hear a sh at the end. Now this one's a little tricky because it's paint. Brush. Do you hear brush? I do. Umbrella. Does that sound like a sh? Nope. Okay, this one is shorts. Let me pull this up a bit so you can see it. Shorts. Cloud. I don't hear a sh. That'll be yellow. Cheese. No, that's a different digraph, so that would be yellow as well. Shoe. Shoe. I hear a sh. And then slide. Nope, that's a SL blend. Shark. I hear a sh at the beginning. And then mushroom. I hear a sh in the middle. Mushroom. And last of all, chair. Nope, different digraph. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Now let's look at the next page. Okay, so I helped you with some of it by telling you the words. Now we'll go over these. Let me get my pen. Whoops, that's a marker. Okay, so this is a little tricky, but this means whack. W. So does this have w? No. Wh. I see it. Whack. Wh. And we want to do our best handwriting. Make sure it's in the lines. There's whack. Okay, our next one is rose. Oh, actually, it's thorn. Okay. Crush. Thrown. No. Phone. Inch. Graph. Thorn. There it is. And remember, none of these are capitals. They're not a name. It's not a proper noun. Okay, this is a kind of old picture, but this is a telephone. That's what they used to look like a long time ago. So I'm going to look for phone. Okay. Okay, this is a graph. So let's look. Nope. Grr. Oh, there it is. Graph. Let's look at somewhere. I have whisk. This is a whisk. Let's look for the wh. No. Wh. There it is. Whisk. Going to circle it and put whisk. Now, some people say whisk, but for us it's whisk. This is your chin. Let's look for ch. Chin. There it is. Chin. Okay. What is this? That's a ship, right? Ship. So let's find sh. No. Sh. There it is. Ship. Okay. My best handwriting. So there's ship. This is crush. I'm crushing it. Okay, let's find curve. There it is. That's the first one, actually. Let me show you. I'm going to write that. Curve. There's my blend. Curve. Sh. And then my digraph as well. Okay. This is inch. Inch. So we're going to look for in. Does this have in? No. Does this have in? It does. So we'll circle inch. We don't cross it off because we want to be able to know how to spell it. So there's inch. And our last one is throne. This is where someone sits. Oh, and there it is. Throne. Okay, let's write that word. Okay, friends. So these are the answers. I hope you were able to figure these out. If you weren't, just go ahead and fix it. Okay, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye.